Hello Casio fans from all over the world. Today we've got here another iconic watch that needs to be reviewed. Stay tuned to find out more about this W-59 watch. We see here the brother or the cousin, or how you want to call it, of the F91. They share the same colors, the same features. I would say that it's the same watch, but yet they have some differences. Stay tuned to find out more as we will review it, exchange the strap, and also see what this module can do. We have here the watch. We see that the strap, one of the straps has fallen. The previous owner has placed it wrongly. This should have been at 12 o'clock position. And also this strap, it is, as far as I can see it is for the MQ24 series, but it is 18 millimeters and this watch needs a 20 millimeters width strap. Therefore, I have a new strap. Unfortunately, it is not made from Casio, but is for Casio. They have some differences. It was twice cheaper, and this was the main reason that I have bought it, but judging by the colors, I tend to regret this decision that I have made. So this is a strap that was made for Casio, but not by Casio. The design is the same, the quality, I don't know what can I say. This clasp works very hard, you can hardly move it. The pin also, it's not straight, it's somehow bended. I hope it is visible on the camera. And the black, it's not black. I'm not sure why it has a lot of white. It's like a zebra. I don't know. It is white and black, or black and white. And also we see some burrs here, like the injection molding system is not working properly, but nevertheless it is for Casio for this model, and the series here is 284 if I see correctly. Yes, 284. Yet also the pushers, the spring bars, they are somehow, I'm not sure how they work. The previous owner has told me that the strap would fall very often. I am assuming that there is a damage in this spring bar. I'm not sure how it's supposed to look. Let's take down also the other one. So I have punched it. Normally the strap should have an arrow that is pointing out the direction of the pushers of the spring bars, how you need to push them, to punch them out. But this strap does not have that indication, and I'm not sure how it's supposed to work. I have some spring bars, 20 millimeter spring bars. Normally they should fit. Let's see if we can assemble this strap on this W-59 watch. Okay, let's put the first spring bar. Let's try the second. Good. We can see that the spring bars are correctly inserted, yet we see that this one comes out. I'm not sure why. We have inserted the spring bars, we have placed the strap. Let's see how it fits on the hand. Well, what can I say about the strap? It smells like rubber, like plastic rubber. It smells like Chinese, and for the moment you cannot feel anything, but it aligns well on the wrist, this watch. Let's talk about the dimensions of the case. As we have here, 36 millimeters in diameter, pushers included. The lug to lug is 32 millimeters, and the thickness of the watch is 9 millimeters, so it's as thick as this one. Interesting. The watch looks great because it has the same color configuration as the F91. Just please wait me 1 minute until I bring it so that we can better see the differences. Great. Now we have the F91 and the W-59 so that we can compare it. Therefore, the color combination is the same. The display would a round watch and the F91 is somehow square. We have the Casio logo, the alarm chrono, yet we have the indication for each pusher light mode, and for this pusher we do not have any indication. In regards the module, this is 590 the module, and the F91 has the 593 model, so they would have been like brothers in regards the module. We have also the red line and water resistance. The depth is 50 millimeters, but it's written with yellow. And also the digits on the display is the same as we have for the F91. Basically, it's almost like identical module, but the shape would have to be somehow different because it would need to fit this round or this circular case. So, in timekeeping mode, we have this pusher which is related to the greenish light. Let me close. So we have the same greenish light that we have on the F91. Still from timekeeping mode, if we press this pusher, we have the possibility to switch in between 12-hour format or 24-hour format. This is the mode pusher, and if we press once, we have the alarm menu, where with this pusher we can enable the hourly chimes and also the alarm. To adjust the alarm, we need to press light, and then with this pusher, which is called 24-hour, it's called this pusher. It is also mentioning here with 24-hour we can select the desired value, and with long pressing light we save. So still with long pressing light, it is like adjust. Again, we can switch with the same pusher to the next item that needs to be set up, and to save we long press. Good. Pressing mode 2 times, we enter into the stopwatch menu. With 24-hour we start it, we stop it, and with light we reset it. So I hope that you cannot hear my music in background. And let's set up the time. In order to do this, we need to press 3 times mode. 1, 2, 3. Then we have the second, which is blinking. To switch to the next value, we need to press light. Now we have the hours, and with 24 hours we can select the desired value. Switch again minutes, then switch to the month. Again, with 24 hours we select the desired value. So it was the August, now we switch back to August. This is the month day and this is the weekday. To save, we simply need to press mode. And that's all. That's all. It's everything that this watch needs to have. It is everything. Now let's discuss about the back case. The back case is, I would say that is, identical to the F91. Just we have the 590 module and the W-59 stainless steel back, water resistance, so it's stated here on the top how it can withstand water pressure. The F91 does not have this indication, it's just mentioning water resistance, but this one has the 50 meters depth, so it is a feature on top from the F91. And if we discuss about the strap, as mentioned previously into the strap replacement chapter, we can see that it is wider than the F91. Here it should have been written Casio, and also on back we have the 284 naming, but Casio would place also additional digits. But yeah, this is material from Casio, this is not from Casio. I can only wait to see how it would stand in time. Also, I do not like the spring bars that I have placed. I would need to get some original ones. What can I say about this watch? It is an iconic watch. It is an alternative to the F91. It is somehow different, yet the same, because the strap is wider. You can feel it more better suitable for also for smaller wrist, also for larger wrist. You cannot, it's not a G-Shock, it's not chunky, yet it's not that slim as the F91. It is somehow like more stronger would be the word, or more masculine would be the word. I'm not sure. It is better that the strap is wider. I like 20 millimeter straps. Yet the thickness of the case, it is the same. The dimensions look as they are the same. Yep, it is somehow with a little steroids on top from the F91. It is a great watch and you definitely have to buy it for your Casio collection. Well, mine was worn for sure. You can see that it has some dirt on it. If you remember, I have replaced it with my another F91 that I have had, the one with white light. I have exchanged it for this one, and I have bought this not original Casio strap that I regretted. I will definitely buy an original strap and replace it, and also proper spring bars. Thank you for your attention and hope that you will get to like and subscribe to my channel. I definitely want to present you other watches, and I would need your support to continue my journey and to continue presenting you cool watches from a different perspective. Yet YouTube is full of reviews, full of Casio. Mine is on top, and I'm sure that my videos, there are somehow different that you can find on YouTube. Thank you for your attention again, and I will also place the operation guide for this specific module. Have a nice day.